Good morning, YouTube, from the beautiful North Wales, Milno Wood here. It's been a long time since I put a video out. Unfortunately, long COVID or being a long hauler has not been too good to me, and I've been a bit slow in the workshop of late, but hopefully we'll get back to it soon. I have, however, made a very quick table. I just thought I'd do a quick video, make sure that you still think I'm here, and show you what I've made this week. I had a small problem in my living room where I lounge, first world problem I guess, where everything was just a little bit too far out of reach. So I decided to make, I don't know, whatnot or a little table just to nestle at the side of my chair, just for my coffee glasses and that sort of thing. Made it out of some scrap wood that I had left over, and I'm really pleased with it. Nice bolted birch, single leg. And interesting feet. I just wanted quick and simple feet, but they've turned out really well. I'm really pleased. Hope you like it. Keep on woodworking, and hopefully I'll get a proper video out soon. Cheers, guys.